Porsche, I was driving too fast, got caught in Carolina, now I gotta do court. Never ever break bread to be laying in no bed with no bitch who ain't part of your story. Hermes blanket with the Hermes sheets, with the Hermes pillow, I'm a Hermes snore.
Me and five just sweet, we kick shit in, we kicking motherfucking door. Sleep on me back then, them folk done woke up, back then I was poor. Lil Brian in my pants, I got Glock 23, I'm talking about Michael Jordan.
They were like, yeah, you been ducking, watch that my bad. I tell a bitch I got bored. She got no interest in learning about my past, that bitch won't spend my money. Little ass deal just hit, you can bet your ass he already spent that $100.
Skin ass pant, I can't even fit my bands inside these fucking purple.
Skinny ass blunt, I'm still getting high as hell cause this shit fucking purple.
Fine shit, I got this bitch fine as hell, she don't need no fucking surgery.
Y'all boys be like, damn, my bitch love in, I can't fucking stand it. I keep waking up lost again and again, I need some fucking answers.
Shit been getting pricey with E. Brian, I started fucking shot look. Everybody getting geeked up on these drugs, everybody fucking pop shit. Man, and they smoke too many blunts, we inside the fucking cockpit. We perform this shit, we going crazy, inside the fucking mosh pit. Every fit I put on, this shit go crazy, nigga try to fucking copy it.
Took back the Porsche, I was driving too fast, got caught in Carolina, now I gotta do court. Never ever break bread to be laying in no bed with no bitch who ain't part of your story. Hermes blanket with the Hermes sheets, with the Hermes pillow, I'm a Hermes snore.
Me and five just sweet, we kick shit in, we kicking motherfucking door. Sleep on me back then, them folk done woke up, back then I was poor. Lil Brian in my pants, I got Glock 23, I'm talking about Michael Jordan.
They were like, yeah, you been ducking, watch that my bad. I tell a bitch I got bored. She got no interest in learning about my past, that bitch won't spend my money.